Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dina Danielle and I run the blog Nomad Moda. Today I am going to be recreating Ariana Grande's ponytail. Please ignore my broken finger. I broke it about a month ago. I broke it at home on a towel rack. So I got this ponytail from insert name here. I got the Mia in dark brown, so it's pretty long. It's perfect for recreating this look. Here is what it looks like. So in case you guys want to purchase the same one, if you like this, then you know it is this one. I will also link it below. So what I'm going to do first is brush my hair so that it's straight. So in case you guys are unfamiliar with Ariana Grande's signature ponytail, let me just show you a picture. Let's be real though, if you don't know Ariana Grande's ponytail, you've been living under a rock. So my phone isn't working properly. I guess I have to turn it off and turn it back on. Givenchy made an entire campaign based off of Ariana Grande's ponytail. There's one of the photos. Here is another one of the photos. So that's what we're going to try and do today with the insert name here, ponytail. It should be pretty simple. I think that they make it pretty simple. I've never used this brand before, so we'll see. So I think what I need is the hair, a brush, and a comb. So here's the comb. I think I've had this since like 6th grade. Probably time to get a new comb, but it should work for this tutorial. So basically what I'm gonna do first is make a really tight ponytail. Personally, it helps me to flip my head over because then gravity kind of does its thing and just pulls my hair into a tight ponytail. So that is nice and tight on the top of my head. You can see that my natural hair is only this long. So you want it really tight so you don't have many flyaways. If you do have some, you could use a little bit of hairspray to kind of like make them stay down. But I'm not going anywhere tonight, so I'm just going to do it like so. And then I am taking a second rubber band hair tie and tying it here, so it gives it a little bit more volume. So here we have this long, beautiful brown hair. If you open it up, it has a little clip here. Here's the clip that is attached to the back. So I'm going to clip this into the ponytail. So you're just gonna clip the hair into the bottom hairband of the ponytail. This insert name here, hair, has Velcro on it, so you can just, and it has this piece of hair at the end, so I'm just going to take the Velcro, wrap it around the base of the ponytail, like so, and then continue wrapping the hair around the base of the ponytail as well, so that you cannot see that it is a clip-in. And then this hair came with some bobby pins, so I'm just going to use those to pin in the hair that I wrapped around. I'm not gonna push it all the way through so that you cannot see it in the front. I have really thin hair, so it doesn't take a lot to wrap it around, but if you guys have thicker hair, then you can just take some more from the ponytail and wrap it around the base. There you have it. So you guys can see it better here in this mirror because the hair is really long. Excuse my sweatpants. It is Thursday night and all I'm doing is filming YouTube videos tonight. This is the first time that I've done this. I probably would have straightened my actual hair before doing it because you can see it a little bit. And this is the color that the company recommended for me. My natural hair color gets lighter on the bottom. The sun naturally lightens it. So in hindsight is always 20/20, I probably would have gotten a shade lighter, but it's okay. I kind of like the dark color, and in the future, because my hair is pretty thin, I could probably always put it in a bun first rather than a ponytail, and then you wouldn't be able to see that lighter color. So let me know in the comments below if you think that I did a good job recreating Ariana Grande's hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ow. Do I look like Ariana Grande? Is it a fail?
I got no neck. I got no neck.
What is this? This is why I haven't shared a house, like a home tutorial, because we kind of tried to buy a couch and it was a fail. It's like so uncomfortable.